Hey everybody, I'm Amy, creator and founder of DreamNudge. I just want to show you some of the features. Let's go. After you sign up, you'll land on your dashboard. Click continue and answer a few quick questions. Then you'll create your first dream. This is your 1-year goal. Inside DreamNudge, your big dream is paired with nudge actions, the small steps that get you there. So dream goals and nudge actions. Let's walk through an example. I'll set my 1-year goal as sell a TV pilot. You can also use the talk to text to make inputting faster. DreamNudge is built on the DREAM framework. D equals desire. What do you really want? R equals rooted purpose, your why. Remember, this is about what matters to you, not people pleasing. E equals emotional fuel, how you want to feel once you achieve it. A equals aligned action, the steps you'll take. And M equals milestone, how you'll know you're making progress. Once you create your dream, it becomes a dream map. You'll see your 1-year goal, target date, and timeline. Dream breaks it into milestones, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, and so on, so your big dream feels manageable. Next is your weekly planner. Here you can schedule the little things we often forget, like calling a friend back or wishing someone a happy birthday. You can even use Spark Subtasks, which generate fun ideas for you to slot into your day. If you're a visual person, switch on the visualizer, the eye icon, to see your week and day laid out. DreamNudge also includes an emotional check-in. If you're feeling overwhelmed, the app flips that into what your body is craving, which is the opposite, and guides you to reframe your thoughts. You can even save affirmations to revisit later. And for procrastination, there's the procrastination dissolver. Write down what you're avoiding, choose one tiny step, start the built-in timer, and notice how quickly the fear fades once you take action. The habit log helps you transform patterns with kindness. For example, if you want to stop doom scrolling the news after 9 a.m., you'll set a trigger and a kinder replacement activity. Clarity Catcher analyzes unhelpful thoughts and gives empowering reframes. Disclaimer, this is not therapy, so if you need professional help, please seek it. Feeling scattered? Use the brain dump draft. Enter everything on your mind, and the app creates a mini to-do list draft, almost like having a strategist inside your pocket. Multi-passionate? The Dream Garden lets you save all your big ideas so they're out of your head and organized. You can also jot down creative ideas and export them to Google Sheets as a backup. For mindfulness, you'll find tools like box breathing and the Future You Visualizer, plus an affirmation creator that rewrites limiting beliefs into empowering statements. There's also the focus timer, where you can choose gentle or spicy affirmations that pop up while you work. Sometimes we all need a little tough love to stay on track. I use this app every day, and I hope you love it too.